I always say these are dumb, but I'm going to do one anyway. On unboxing, we got a box today from UPS, still sealed up, from JD Airsoft. Okay, so we're going to open it up and see what we got. Packing material, some peanuts. Ooh, JD Airsoft patches. Let's take a look at these before we go too far here. Ooh, we got three different kinds. We got JD Airsoft, another JD Airsoft, the same thing. It's the same design, and then looks like a glow-in-the-dark one. So we got three patches. Okay. And we got in this container with the peanuts in it, which I can't stand. Sorry about that. TRMR multi-shot base. I don't know if you can see the three numbers on there. It's kind of hard to see. There's 1, click 2, click 3, and as you can see, they move. Okay, and back to 1. So we got a multi-shot base for testing. What else do we got here today? Well, that was it. Those three things. And we got this. Again, filled with peanuts. It's the new X4 base. That's the only thing I was wondering about is how quick this comes out. There it is. It's basically a 4-in-1. 12 gauge on that side, 209 primer on this side, 9mm 38 on this side. Put them all together, and you got one base, does them all. You don't have to carry multiple bases with you. So I'll be testing these two things. First of all, I'd like to thank JD Airsoft for sending these along so I can test them out. And a video will be coming up shortly on these, testing both bases and seeing how they run. Thanks for watching.
What the fuck was that?
That was the buzzsaw.
Fucking minigun. Jesus Christ. Let me get a goddamn minigun down